Alright, so today I'm going to be explaining how this Nerf gun right here works. So when you pull back on this, you're basically just pulling back on this metal rod, which cocks the mechanism. But I don't like to cock it like this because, like when it's in half, because the spring and pieces can just fly everywhere. So first I take off this main spring that launches it. And I'll show you what happens. So you pull it back. This locks in place right here with this little piece, and the spring would be scrunched in between here now because it stops right here and goes to the front of the plunger. And now you would load your bullets like so, and then you would pull this back forward like that, but I just used my rod, and then you would lock this piece in motion together, which would free up all the mechanisms that stop you from shooting that way. So now to when you pull the trigger, it pushes up this mechanism, which releases the plunger, allowing the spring to fully extend, pushing air down this tube right here into a small hole, forcing it into your dart, shooting it out of the barrel. Which obviously I can't demonstrate because I don't have the spring in right now. So yeah, in action, that's basically what it does. So yeah, so thank you for watching Creative Ideas by Cody. And if you guys have any other ideas, just put it in the comments and hit that like button if you like the video. Bye.